There are lots of different opportunities for children to use their Gaelic out with school. They can take part in television programmes, radio programmes, they can attend mods, local events, different activities through sport, where they're meeting other children from other Gaelic medium education schools, and have fun.
Increasingly, children are able to use their Gaelic out with school more often. There's a national body called Strathachan. We have a group here in Portree, and that's fantastic. Parents do so much work there, and they have activities after school where the children are able to play and play sports. There are other things organised nationally. Our school took part in a Fun Force football competition, for example, locally, and then we went away to Inverness, and it was a great experience and really good to see the children using Gaelic out with the school setting. The children can also use Gaelic at the Féishin. There's Féis in Yarich and Portree, and there's Féishin in Geld, and there's Féishin throughout Scotland. Great organisations, and it gives the children a sense of pride in their language when they're learning their musical instrument, and they're also learning the language. And as they get older, children are able to go on trips. For example, a group from Portree High School went to the Piping Festival in Armagh. When children are away from home, I think they're prouder of their culture and their heritage, and their Gaelic language gives them a sense of identity and a sense of who they are. So when they were in another country, they're proud of their Gaelic, they're using their Gaelic, and it makes them different. And I think you have a greater sense of pride in your own culture and your own identity, perhaps when you're not in your own country. And that's what makes children with Gaelic that little bit special.